In the U.S. luxury real estate market, premium amenities have historically been cosmetic, imported Calicut marble, custom millwork, or infinity edge pools. But in 2026, the most critical luxury asset is completely invisible. It is energy autonomy. The U.S. electrical grid is facing unprecedented structural strain. From the severe vulnerabilities of the ERCOT system in Texas to California's soaring utility-imposed blackouts and high rates, grid reliability is no longer guaranteed. For a standard home, a blackout is an inconvenience. For a high-net-worth property, it represents an immediate financial liability. Consider the real-world liabilities. Frozen pipes in a modern Austin home, causing hundreds of thousands of dollars in water damage. Offline HVAC systems in Miami ruining priceless art. Or a complete loss of security and smart home automation. When the grid fails, a luxury home's sophisticated systems can quickly become liabilities. This exposure is forcing a fundamental shift in how high-end homes are built and valued in the United States. Historically, the default defense was a diesel standby generator, an ugly, noisy internal combustion engine that sits on a concrete pad, violates strict HOA aesthetic guidelines, and requires constant maintenance. Today, sophisticated U.S. buyers are demanding a more integrated solution: the residential microgrid. This premium energy stack combines high-capacity battery storage like the Tesla Powerwall 3 or Enphase IQ5P with clean, integrated solar shingles. By utilizing architectural solar tiles instead of traditional rack-mounted arrays, developers can preserve the clean, modern profiles demanded by premium communities from Newport Beach to Palm Beach. The system is managed by solid-state smart electrical panels like SPAN or Lumen, which dynamically shed non-essential loads during an outage, prioritizing HVAC, refrigeration, and security networks automatically. The economics of these systems have shifted from defensive emergency backup to an offensive yield strategy. In California, the implementation of net energy metering 3.0 or NEM 3.0 virtually eliminated the financial return on standard solar-only installations by cutting export credits by roughly 75%. Under this billing structure, exporting power back to the grid yields pennies. But pairing solar with intelligent battery storage changes the math completely. Homeowners now execute a strategy called tariff arbitrage, or peak shaving. The microgrid stores free solar energy during peak midday hours and deploys it between 4 p.m. and 9 p.m., when utility rates peak across California, New York, and Hawaii. For a 10,000 square foot estate, this operational efficiency saves thousands of dollars monthly in utility overhead. More importantly, U.S. appraisers are beginning to quantify this infrastructure. A certified microgrid with smart energy management is no longer viewed as a personal cosmetic choice. It is categorized as a permanent capital improvement. In competitive, high-tariff markets, homes equipped with integrated off-grid capacity are commanding a $100,000 to $150,000 appraisal premium over comparable properties, tied strictly to the municipal grid. It is a CapEx allocation that pays direct dividends in both immediate operational savings and long-term asset liquidity. As the U.S. energy landscape becomes more volatile, energy independence is transitioning from an elective upgrade to a foundational pillar of real estate equity. To stay ahead of the micro trends shaping the U.S. property market, subscribe to the Equity Edit.